Angka Presiden Joko Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Dibora Marak baka Sarkar MPP kapat yap bila de nakaba pelong ya ke election sa JHDC lane ka Rohil Autonomous District Council. Bar penjalan susu ya ka sahadin riu benai kene ka penpau syai namar bak Sarkar MPP ka ting thot ya kene ka election sa JHDC baka snu thuru dalelei kanamla ban khikli ba kan ram kaput ha kene election sa JHDC menta kasnam. Nakataka daw kan tait ban penlong ya kene ke election sa JHDC menta kasnam. Nakaba ai daw baka don kejing ya kanat kejing ya khi hapo rilum garo hendrai kene kejing ya kanat baka kejing ya khi ka jatang hi artli ki constituency. Kita ka syam nagar bat kabala chanda constituency. Bat kalong ba government kejing shisha kala de ban suspend kini artli constituency kebadon padeng kejing kanat bat bakan penyait bet saprang ya kini ki art penyo tli ki we pat constituency ki bayat bet hendrai ban penjalan susu yang semoy terekam jong ke GHDC sondriu benai kalau ong ba dalele kalau ke ke bomla ban long ban nak liang jong parti ru ngin selet teng nak bantabat penbor yang sarkar bahkan penlong nok kham kloi ya kene ke election sa Garo Hill Autonomous District Council laban ke kong Dibora Marang kumbang liu ing senam ke balai no ke belanja po rilum jantia bat hapo Kasih Hill Autonomous District Council kene ka sarkar NDA2 hapo ko cingalam jong ka parti NPP kelong ka sarkar ka ba nang baban politik lene ban yelik kai nak bentaban yo nong ya ka parti la jong kim khain wat ban penjalan jubor ya ka samoy trekam jong kini ki artli ki Autonomous District Council kata ka Jantai Hill Autonomous District Council bat ka Kasih Hill Autonomous District Council ha ka bakala persiang ban penjalan kai ya ka por tang nak benta ban penbelat ikbat ba makin kersan ane ban support ikiwe pat ki political party hakaba singila banong kala long ka bajok ada ngi page hapo rilum jantia hakaba ka NPP ringkat kiwe pat ki parti senrop kalayo ban sensar biang hapo Jantai Hill Autonomous District Council hendrai kom sumlala ban le komta hakaba de hapo Kasih Hill Autonomous District Council sobha se komen borok komno pisngo halor ka jingle jokane ka sarkar MDA tu hapo ko cingalam jong ka parti NPP.
I think he resigned by himself. Then only the appointment.
There was a process.
I don't know. It's their party matters.
So that is what I am asking because he was denied ticket, resulting in
denied ticket we know. But still, he was a CM of district council. And during this session, special session, I think just before that, he resigned.
the deputy CM accepted, acknowledged that yes, because of his immaturity that resulted in this problem.
But I don't know. It is their internal party matter, not exactly happened. But as far as my knowledge goes, he was denied ticket, and then after that he resigned by himself. And now I think they put one new CM.
But why should the people suffer, parties suffer, because they extended the house for another 6 months?
6 months. I don't agree to that. If you want to suspend, you suspend these two constituency only. Let election go on. 6 months, it is not a matter of job. That to Congress party will never endorse.
So we need to move court so that
we have not decided to move to the court.
the elections are early.
But we will pressurize the government to have an election early. If need be, these two constituencies can be suspended for the time being. New AC can take and find out a good mechanism how to go about it, and then whatever may be the case, they can correct it.
Is that the new
Two constituencies. This is Samnagar and Balachanda.
So this can be held back.
Well, back, yes, they can suspend it. And other constituencies, hill areas, we can go on.
27 constituencies.
Yes,
should be held.
held.
Should be held out
Yes. What is the harm to have an election in those constituencies where there is